Hi, I'm Thomas from Slimbox, and I would like to present you this wonderful project we did for Byteflies. And Byteflies is a customer that is providing wearables and monitoring systems towards patients in order for them to leave the hospital earlier. So for them, packaging is quite an important part of their business. And for their packaging and the recreation of their packaging, we actually had 4 goals. First of all, we want to reduce space and make shipping safe, so there are no broken goods. Secondly, for patients, it's important that he can return the goods in a very efficient and safe way. Thirdly, we wanted to provide Byteflies and their fulfillment partner with all the flexibility they want and they need. And as a last, we wanted to also make an aesthetic and a nice box, a nice solution that is showing the values of Byteflies. In order to reduce the space and to make safe shipment possible, we obtained to pack different components in different products into different separate boxes. This also gives the flexibility towards Byteflies to start sampling different products. Here we chose to work with an inlay, which makes sure that it's a nice package, but also, and this is far most important, these products can't move in the box anymore. So that means that they won't break the other components within the box and makes safe shipment possible. A second product is the scale, and this was by far the most fragile product. That's why we chose to put this product in the middle of the box, so it's also protected by the boxes of the other companies. As you see, this is a different type of box. For us, a Slimbox, this is a standard box, which really provides a safe and compressed solution. There is even a third box, and this really shows you how compact we can pack and we can create the boxes. And also here, there are different components in which we made inlays in order for them not to move, but also to show very professional and very safe. This is actually for the patient also like a help for him to know what products he should send back, because they will lack a hole in the inlay. So as you can see, this is not only a great solution for Byteflies, for the doctors, for the hospital, but it's also a great help for patients in order to return products back like this. They just put all the products back in the boxes, in the inlays, and then what we provide is not only an easy way to open the box like you saw in the beginning of the film, but with this strip, the patient is able to resend the package in a very safe and efficient way. So that leaves us with 2 more challenges. On an aesthetical level, I think you've seen enough. I think you've seen that this is a very nice and a very good solution. What we as corrugated geeks maybe really like is the tear-off strip that we created here. It's not only comfortable for the patient to open his box, but it also gives a nice attachment. And we've also put the logo of Byteflies itself in the box. And this is something they as well can be very flexible of. They can put logos of hospitals on it, or even write the names of the components of the patients into the box and make it really personalized in that way. Which leaves us at the last challenge. And the last challenge was to create the flexibility of Byteflies and their fulfillment partner. And this is very important, as every patient has his own needs towards monitoring systems and the wearables. So actually we can say that almost every package that Byteflies will send or to the hospitals or to the patients will have different composition of different wearables, of different monitors, and by that we'll have different boxes and different inlays. So what will happen now is, as soon as there is an order from the patient, Byteflies will push that information towards the Slimbox, and the Slimbox will start producing the right box to pack the right products, the right monitoring systems, and the right wearables. While checking off those 4 different boxes, pun intended, we're very happy to find a great solution both for Byteflies, the hospitals, the doctors, and even the patients. So let's get it started.